Today we're discussing DIY outdoor kitchen concrete frame, the key factors and what to consider. First, DIY outdoor kitchen concrete frame. Don't use wood, it rots. Use steel studs or concrete block to build the cabinet frame before facing with stone. Next, DIY outdoor kitchen concrete frame. Complete guide. Building an outdoor kitchen frame requires durable materials that won't rot. Don't use wood, it rots. Use steel studs or concrete block to build the cabinet frame before facing with stone. Understanding why wood fails and what materials work ensures your outdoor kitchen lasts. Regarding why not wood, not permanent, needs replacement. On option 1, steel studs are durable. Moving to advantages. Lightweight, easy to work with. Compatible, works with standard construction. Next, construction, level and plumb, ensure frame is level. For more information or to request a free estimate, visit localconcretecontractor.com.